The French verb avoir. Le verbe avoir en français. Avoir means to have in English. In Telugu, kaligi unduta. Kaligi unduta. It's an essential verb in French, used frequently in various contexts. It is the most important basic French verb that you must learn by all means. So this verb is also used as an auxiliary verb in compound tenses. Let's look at present tense conjugation of this verb in English as well as in Telugu. So here you have subject pronouns in French. Here you have translations of them in English, and here in Telugu. Let's look at them. Je means I, tu means you, il means he, elle means she, on means it, nous means we, vous means you, il means it's for men, elle it is used for women. So je, I, నేను, tu, you, నువ్వు, elle, il, అతడు, elle, ఆమె, on, తను, nous, మేము, vous, మీరు, il, మగవారు, elle, ఆడవారు. Donc for je we have a, j'ai. For tu, you utilise conjugation tu as. Pour il, elle, on utilise a, on a, or il a, elle a. For nous, we use nous avons. For you, vous, plural, you use vous avez. Il or elle, we use the conjugation ils ont ou elles ont. Let's look at some examples in present tense of French verb avoir. For instance, in French, j'ai un livre means I have a book. నా దగ్గర ఒక పుస్తకం ఉంది. నాకు పుస్తకం ఉంది. Tu as une voiture. You have a car. నీకు కారు ఉంది. Il a un chien. He has a dog. అతనికి కుక్క ఉంది. Nous avons des amis. We have friends. మనకు స్నేహితులు ఉన్నారు. Vous avez une maison. You have a house. మీకు ఒక ఇల్లు ఉంది. Elles ont des vélos. They have bicycles. వారికి సైకిళ్ళు ఉన్నాయి. So this is the first part. Let's continue our lesson later. Thank you. Merci. ధన్యవాదములు.